Good morning, Muscle Car Corner here early on a Sunday morning before all the people get here. We've got an A12 invitational, and we've got some amazing A12s here. Let me tell you, love the colors on these cars. It's cool to see them all here. I remember seeing this car run back in the day. Lou Mancini, good old Lou. Saw this car run quite a few times. 446 barrel, yeah. It's funny how they put these cars out. They were factory drag cars right out of the gate. Put slicks and headers on it and go drag racing. Yeah, that's what most people did. But some that didn't kept them nice, and they're here at the show. Super special car, factory race car. Just like when the Demon came out. The late model Demons. That was a funky color, boy. Didn't see too many of them in that color. Thought it was Go Mango, I believe. This shows to have a lot of originality to it. Like this is possibly a factory paint job. It may not have been painted. No, it looks like it's all original. Look at the patina right down to the factory primer. No, Bahama yellow, excuse me. $6,000 original miles, put a quarter mile at a time on it. Nice. Out of New York. They did a fine restoration on that vehicle and put it back stock again because it's worth so much money. Yeah, it's something that you look at as how much are these original race cars going for, or how much the ones they're going for that are put back original. I believe you're going to see the originality brings the most money, but on some of these special race cars, it's not the case. So it's case by case basis per car, what history it had, and so on and so forth. R4 red. Mike Lyons owns this car. Looks good in red. It was a real orangey red. Nice. You don't see too many of them in this silver poly. It's really sharp. It's a little bit more of a gray than a silver to me, looking at it. There it is when it was new at the Phillips 66 gas station. Super cool. Low mileage, 101 because of the color. And you get a chance to read that story, it's pretty cool. The Junkyard Dog. 69 A12 Super B. It was found in the junkyard. I want to get with the owner and do a story on this one. Talk about this one. Sure doesn't look like it came out of a junkyard. The Junkyard Dog. Looking at the underside of the car. The correct overspray on the floor pans. I did like me a Super B. That and that green, that is sharp. I like that green. $69.5 A12 Super B. That is sharp. You know, talking here again about Mopars and when they're painted black, I just think when you paint these Dodge and Plymouth black, they look so cool, so menacing. They look badass with that white Super B decal. TX9 black. That was a very dark black. That TX9. It was like when you go to spray a car, instead of mixing the paint, you take it right, the base right off the mixing bank. And it's the black of the black. And it's just sharp looking. This one is really sweet. One of 51 Hemi Orange Super Bs with A12 package. Low number car. Presented by Mancini Racing. Here's another sharp one. Look at the difference between vinyl top and no vinyl top and vinyl top. Which one do you think looks better? I think it looks better with a vinyl top on it, these B bodies. It just adds a nice little touch to it. But that's my opinion. What do y'all think about that? Put it in the comments which you'd rather have. Well, that's the A12 invitational. And we've got a couple more. This one shows to have some originality to it. Got some Kragers on it. Some old Uniroyal Tiger Paws. Yeah, the interior is all original on this. It looks like a Survivor with a paint. Or it could be original paint. You can tell by the patina and the jams, valve covers, you know, everything. It's a very low mileage example, I'm sure. No harm, no foul if you do a paint job, but it may have some original paint on it. It looks like it's sharp. Now this B5 Blue Super B, oh my gosh, this thing is just over the top. Beautiful. With the white interior. Something about B5 Blue paint with white interior. It is so cool looking. I think that's really the best color for these Super Bs. I'm kind of partial to B5 Blue. Sorry about that. I got 71 U code Charger RT. This B5 Blue, white interior, black top, black stripes. I think that color combination is one of the best that Mopar ever put out. All right. Well, we've already looked at that one. So we'll go ahead and move on to another class of cars. I'm trying to get all the separate manufacturers if possible. So stay tuned, and Let's Car Corner is going to be bringing it to you Sunday morning. Up early for this stuff. I think I'm going to go back and go to bed. Let's Car Corner signing out.